My name is Andika from Team 154. Here I'll be presenting our poster, which is a graph-based recommended tool for GitHub discovery called Git Search. So let us take a closer look at our poster. So GitHub, as we already know, is consisting of a wealth of developer information. It's very useful for us to search for the open source tools. The intention of this project is to build a tool which is using a graph recommendation algorithm to suggest useful informations for the developers to be able to search for interesting repositories. On the left side is our front-end tools, which is built using D3 and the Python and also HTML and JavaScript technology. So when one search for a repository with a keyword, the details will be shown and the bubble will also be shown. There's also other interactivity where you click on the bubbles and then it will be displaying the informations about the repositories. We'll look at it later on. The data source in our case is a GH archive, which is a public data set of hourly data. The downloaded data is around 230 gigabytes in size. The key innovations in our tool is we are actually building a graph to suggest recommendations GitHub of repositories, and also developers will be using a bipartite network with nodes encoding developers and repositories. And also our key innovation includes interactive web applications, which is built using D3.js. So you can see in details of the network graph algorithm that we built here. The whole thing is actually served using the Python Flask. We have a pre-built graph included in the program, which is to speed up the real-time search, and also it will be served via browser. The time for the recommendation, as after we do the few of iteration improvement, we found out that random walk simulation is significantly faster than the power law network X. So that is what we'll be using in our production. So we also conducted user evaluations of 20 users. So overwhelmingly that they are actually agree that the GitHub is strongly useful, easy to learn, and expand the list of contributors. So overall, in our survey, that we feel that Git Search is actually efficient and effective in improving the exploratory experience. This is Git Search poster. So let's take a look at our front-end tool. So let's try to search for the machine learning. The results will be displayed on the left side, which is the list of the repo, and here will be the list of the network graph. When we click on it, it will be showing the project contributors. Clicking on the contributors will show the further projects which is done by the contributor itself. So that's all from me. I hope it will be helpful for us developers in futures. Thank you very much.